4-inch wide handle spinner luggage, which helps me travel efficiently. Whew. The first thing I want to point out is a wide handle. I honestly didn't think this was needed until I was introduced to my level 8 luggage. The wide trolley allows me to maximize storage, distributing my items easily in its compartments. For some odd reason, I never go to the airport on time, so I'm always rushing. In the past, sudden turns would cause my luggage to tip over, but the handle is designed to deliver stability in the luggage. It also has side and top handles that are comfortable for lifting in and out of high places. Secondly, it has more than enough space. You have 2 compartments that are interchangeable. The luggage is designed to help you sort your items in different compartments. It has plenty of pockets to separate your clean clothes from your dirty clothes or your shoes from your electronics. If you're traveling with a partner for a short trip, technically both of your belongings can fit into one luggage with plenty of room to spare. This level 8 Voyager also provides high quality protection. This polycarbonated hardshell material can take a beating. Baggage carriers typically don't care about your luggage. I've personally seen them launch suitcases from time to time. This durable material is also anti-scratch, which will definitely come in handy for the longevity of your travel companion.